Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you? Let's wait for a few more people to join in and we will then begin our live session. And today we have a very exciting live session. Hello, Assalamu alaikum to everyone that has joined. Wa alaikum assalam. Thank you so much for joining in today's live with FHM Pakistan. Let's wait for a few more people to join in and then we can carry on with our live. हमारा आज का live session बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम, होप यू ऑल आर वेल. तो आज का लाइव सेशन बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. एक्सक्यूज मी. और एक ऐसी सेलिब्रिटी के साथ है जिनसे हम बहुत फेमिलियर हैं. वी ऑल नो हर, वी ऑल लव हर. हमने उनका काम देखा है, हमने उनकी ड्रामास देखे हैं, उनकी प्रोडक्ट्स, उनकी चीज़ों से काफ़ी फेमिलियर हैं. एंड यू गाइस आर गोइंग टू बी वेरी सरप्राइज्ड व्हेन शी जॉइंस इन द लाइव सेशन. आज का लाइव सेशन काफ़ी मज़े का होने वाला है, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है. ऑब्वियसली वी हैव अ वेरी वेल नोन सेलिब्रिटी ऑन बोर्ड एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू इन्वाइट हर टू आवर सेशन. सो शी हैज़ बिन अ वेरी वाइटल पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री. कई सालों से वो हमारी इंडस्ट्री की एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. उन्होंने अपना रोल बहुत अच्छे से निभाया है. एंड देन शी वेंचर्ड आउट टू डू डिफरेंट थिंग्स. काफ़ी डिफरेंट चीज़ों में फिर उन्होंने वेंचर आउट किया और उसमें एक्सपेरिमेंट किया और वहाँ पे भी बहुत सक्सेसफुल हुई. सो टुडे वी हैव अ वेरी ग्रेट पर्सनैलिटी, अ वेरी हम्बल वुमन, अ वेरी टैलेंटेड वुमन विद अस दैट इज गोइंग टू जॉइन आवर लाइव सेशन. हर नेम इज नादिया हुसैन. आई एम श्योर यू ऑल आर वेरी फेमिलियर विद हु दैट इज. एंड हमने उनको देखा है, उनका काम देखा है. एंड हम ये भी जानते हैं कि शी इज़ अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस वुमन एंड शी इज़ रनिंग अ मेजर अमेजिंग एम्पायर with her salon, her makeup line and lots of different things. So without any further ado, हम उन्हें अपने लाइव सेशन पे इनवाइट करते हैं और लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड सी व्हाट शी हैज़ टू से. सो लेट्स इनवाइट मिस नादिया हुसैन खान टू आवर सेशन एंड वी कैन कैरी ऑन फ्रॉम देयर. So just let me send her a request and then hello everyone, how are you? Hello. So guys, we are going to invite her to the live session and to the live session and let's wait for her to join us and then we'll have a lovely conversation with her and find out more about Nadia Hussain and see what she's currently up to, what she's working on, how she's spending her current time with all the different lockdown measures that have eased down now. तो देखते हैं वो हमारे लाइव सेशन पे जब आएंगी. we're going to observe and see that what she's going to talk about, what she's been currently doing, what projects she's working on, and you guys will get to know more about Nadia herself. So I've sent her a request and we are just waiting for her to join the live. And तब तक आप लोग मुझे बताएं. Okay, so she is currently here and let's send her a request and see how it goes. I'm personally very excited to talk to her because ये हमारी इंडस्ट्री की एक बहुत ही मशहूर, बहुत ही talented and बहुत ही respectable actress है. And not only just an actress, she has also established herself as a businesswoman, as somebody who's running an amazing salon with amazing services. And I think we all deserve to know a little bit about her and get in conversation with her and see what she has currently been up to. So I have sent her a request, but unfortunately, koi technical difficulty ho rahi hai. Let's see if we can. There we go. And let's see what she has to say. Hello, Assalamu alaikum, Nadia. How are you?
Hi, walaikum salam. How are you? Wait, let me
I'm
just
well.
clean
So
this
as you know,
screen.
I am Ariba, and thank you so much for joining the live session with us. FHM Pakistan is very grateful that you are here. You've taken out the time to be here with us today. So Nadia, how have you been doing? How's everything going for you at your end?
Good. I've just come back from a recording. तो बस मैं आते के साथ ही बैठ गई हूँ.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate that. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get into what's currently going on in your life. So tell us about what you're currently working on. कोई ऐसे exciting projects जो upcoming हैं, जो viewers को पता होने चाहिए कि you're working on and something that they should be excited for. We would love to know all about it.
So presently I am there's a drama of mine जो कि हम टीवी पे already on air है, which is यूं तो है प्यार बहुत. और उसके अंदर मैं जावेद शेख साहब के साथ like I'm his wife and it's a negative lead. और अभी प्रेजेंटली एक और मैं एक ड्रामा कर रही हूँ सिक्स सिग्मा के साथ, जिसके अंदर बाबर अली के साथ मेरा पेयरिंग है, एंड अगेन आई एम द नेगेटिव लीड इन दैट अगेन. So yes, that's what I'm currently working on, and just busy with my salon and lots of other things.
So, talking more, let's speak a bit more about this project that you are working on with Javed Saab as his wife. Tell me more how your role is like. किस तरह का character play कर रही हैं, or what is the unique point, or what do you love about that character that stands out for you?
Well, actually, I don't love a lot about the character because it's a negative character, but because it was, the entire cast was good, the production was good, the director was good. Mata he's also a friend of mine, Kashif Salim. तो इस वजह से मैंने सोचा कि चलो कर लेते हैं प्रोजेक्ट.
Is it like different for you कि आप एक negative role play कर रही हैं, different है, difficult है, या are you enjoying working in like something that's completely different from what you usually do? So I think we have a little technical issue. Nadia का live stuck हो गया है, but let's hope we can reconnect to her because this was a very fun conversation. So I don't know what the issue might have been. Let's see कि कोई issue अगर करेक्ट हो सकता है. इट्स सो अनफॉर्चुनेट जब आप किसी के साथ एक इतनी अच्छी कॉन्वर्सेशन एंजॉय कर रहे होते हैं एंड सडनली आपका इंटरनेट और इट डिसाइड्स टू जस्ट डाई, एंड दैट्स काइंड ऑफ सैड. गुस्सा भी आता है थोड़ा सा, लेकिन कोई बात नहीं, ये टेक्निकल चीजें हैं, होती रहती हैं. नो प्रॉब्लम. वी आर गोइंग टू सेंड नादिया अनदर रिक्वेस्ट टू जॉइन आवर लाइव and see how that goes, because I was truly enjoying this conversation and suddenly, unfortunately, internet decided to just sort of act up, but that's okay. It's a part of part and parcel of the media world, the digital world. But with COVID हमें इतनी आदत हो गई है डिजिटल पे रिलाई करने की, चीजें करने की वहां पे, एंड नाउ डिजिटल इज द न्यू वेव. इट्स ऑल व्हाट एवरीथिंग इज अबाउट. पूरी दुनिया अब डिजिटल पे काम कर रही होती है, बिजनेसेस वहां पे ऑपरेट हो रहे होते हैं, काफी लाइव सेशंस होते हैं, काफी काफी चीजें बिजनेस के अलावा भी होती हैं. कॉल इट लाइक लाइव सेशंस, कॉल इट मीटिंग्स, कॉल इट क्लासेस. सो देयर आर लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ थिंग्स जो डिजिटल पे होती हैं. सो प्लीज गाइस, जिसने भी इंटरनेट बनाया है, जरा प्लीज अपने इंटरनेट को ठीक करें थोड़ा. और आजकल की दुनिया इज ऑल अबाउट डिजिटल, एंड let's send Nadia another request and see if we can get her to join the live session again. We have sent her another request. And there are lots of people जो यहाँ comment कर रहे हैं नादिया के रोल के बारे में, and they are talking about कि उनका रोल काफी different है from what she has previously done. It's very very different, and probably her fans are not used to seeing this, which is also very exciting for them at the same time to see someone they idolize, जिसको वो देखते हैं, जिसको वो पसंद करते हैं, उनको एक different role में देखना. I think ये actor की बहुत बड़ी quality होती है कि जैसे भले वो real life में जितने भी humble हो, जितने भी अच्छे हों, जितने भी soft spoken हो, बट जब उनको एक कैरेक्टर मिलता है, जब उनको कोई स्क्रिप्ट दी जाती है, तो वो उस कैरेक्टर में कम्प्लीटली इमर्स हो जाते हैं. एंड ये बहुत मुश्किल होता है, बहुत टाइम कंज्यूमिंग होता है, एंड हमारे एक्टर्स को एक्चुअली सल्यूट है कि इतने वो कॉम्प्लिकेटेड एंड कॉम्प्लेक्स रोल इतनी आसानी से कर जाते हैं. हम तो स्क्रीन पे देखते हैं ये सारी चीज़ें, बट उनकी मेहनत और उनका जो टाइम लगता है, उनकी जो प्रैक्टिसेस लगती हैं उसके अंदर, I mean, hats off to them for being amazing and making the Pakistani industry proud. Once again, I'm going to try sending a request to Nadia to join our live session, and let's see what can be done. Guys, unfortunately we are unable to connect with Nadia, but that's okay. You guys keep commenting. कोई मजे के सवाल, कोई riddles अगर किसी के दिमाग में आ रहे हैं, तो please feel free to ask me. I will try to answer to your riddles, and it'll be great अगर मुझे जवाब आता है. नीचे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं, यू आर डूइंग वेरी वेल, थैंक यू सो मच. एग्जाम क्यों कैंसिल नहीं हो रहे? अनफॉर्चुनेटली गाइस, पढ़ाई इज अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ, एंड कोविड की वजह से हम काफी इम्पैक्ट हो चुके हैं इस चीज से. सो आई फील लाइक ऑल द स्टूडेंट्स मस्ट बक अप, दे मस्ट स्टार्ट प्रेपिंग, अपनी तैयारी पूरी करें, अपनी पढ़ाई कंप्लीट करें. पढ़ाई बहुत जरूरी होती है. एग्जाम कैंसिलेशन आई फील लाइक थोड़ा सा लीनियंसी दिखा सकते हैं उस पर. कैंसिलेशन इज नॉट अप्रोप्रिएट इन माई ओपिनियन बिकॉज आप लोग एग्जाम्स क्लियर करेंगे तो फिर आगे बढ़ेंगे. और इवन दो ये जस्टिफाई नहीं करता है आपकी लाइफ को, आपके पर्सनालिटी को, बट आई फील लाइक एजुकेशन बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है. और अपनी लाइफ में जो भी एजुकेशन अवेल कर सकता है ज़रूर करें. जिसको मौका मिलता है प्लीज़ 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 अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करें. इससे आपकी ग्रूमिंग होती है, इससे आप 10 लोगों के सामने अच्छे से प्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं अपने आप को, दुनिया के बारे में व्यूज रख सकते हैं. एंड बहुत कॉन्फिडेंटली आप किसी को फेस कर सकते हैं, चाहे वो किसी एजुकेशनल चीज के बारे में हो, इंटेलेक्चुअल हो, इमोशनल हो. आपका एक तरीका तौर डेवलप हो जाता है अपने आप को प्रेजेंट करने का सबके सामने. सो whoever is a student here, take my advice, do not miss out on your education. And we have Nadia Hussain again on board with us, and inshallah this time कोई technical issue नहीं होगा. And let's see, I've accepted the request for her to join in, and there we are. Assalamu
Yeah,
alaikum and welcome back. Unfortunately, I don't know, technical issue हो गया था कोई.
yes, yes, yes.
But yes, let's talk a bit more about your roles in all these years, the various roles that you've done. Nadia, tell me if there's any role that particularly stands out for you. कोई ऐसा role जो आपको आज भी याद हो, या कोई ऐसा project जिसने आपके दिल में बहुत एक अहम जगह बना ली हो. Please tell the viewers a bit more about that and क्यों ऐसा है.
As far as like any acting role is concerned,
Yes.
acting का
Acting, कोई भी ऐसा role या project जो आपने किया हो and it's very close to your heart, something that you remembered over the years, or could be a recent thing as well.
I think that like the popularity that Jalan got was really good. That was really fun. One kind of enjoyed that ride of and the wave of popularity that the project got. So that was really fun. Even though कि उसके अंदर कोई as such मेरा जो रोल था वो बहुत मेन किस्म का रोल नहीं था, लेकिन इतना प्रोमिनेंट रोल था that I enjoyed all of that.
Okay, that's amazing. Jalan did become very, very popular, and it is a drama that a lot of Pakistanis loved, and there was a lot of talk about it on social media as well. अच्छा, थोड़ा project से हटते ना, if you were given the choice to work for, let's say, movies or dramas, like if you just had to make that one choice, what would you pick and why?
For dramas
Or if you got the chance to star in a movie, like if that was something that you had to choose, become like a movie star or stick to dramas, what would you pick?
yeah, definitely movies, because movies जो है वो larger than life हैं, and movies जो है वो आप इतने short time में इतना आप entertain कर सकते हैं audience को, that I truly feel that I would definitely enjoy doing a movie a lot more, and I would enjoy that kind of experience a lot more, because एक मूवी से आप जितना गेन करते हैं और आपको जितना याद रहता है, like the drama is something कि वो continuously जब तक देखते नहीं है, you don't follow the story, but as far as a movie is concerned, that is very different.
Amazing. Okay, Nadia, so let's talk a bit more about what you are currently doing, with your salon, with the amazing products that you've come out with. So I recently had a look at all the collection that you've come out with, and it is brilliant because it's inclusive of everything in there. There is not one thing that is missing, and I was personally very fond of the highlighters. So tell me, what inspired you to kind of step into this field? And I don't know if a lot of the viewers that are watching this know this, but you are a doctor as well by career. So I want you to tell us a bit more about your education, your early start, and how did you manage everything, with your, let's say, your business, your studies. Obviously, studying to be a doctor is not easy. And then, of course, working as a star and being one of the biggest stars in Pakistan, of course.
Thank you, thank you. It's really, I always feel really proud and happy and grateful, when जब इतनी, कोई तारीफ करता है. So, but as far as my, okay, so like lots of things, lots of questions that you have asked, जिसके अंदर, of course, I am a dentist by profession. I'm not a practicing dentist. बट मैं एस्थेटिक्स मैंने किए हैं फिर, बिकॉज आई एम क्वालिफाइड मेडिकल प्रोफेशनल, सो आई कैन प्रैक्टिस एस्थेटिक्स, जिसके अंदर यू नो लाइक एज फार एज ट्रीटमेंट्स गोज, तो उसके अंदर बोटॉक्स है, फिलर्स हैं, लेजर्स हैं, जो नॉन सर्जिकल जो चीज़ें होती हैं वो सारी चीज़ें होती हैं। और ये सब ट्रीटमेंट्स मैं करती हूँ, अपने सैलून पे करती हूँ, और I have a huge, you know, clientele and lots of people come to get that done, and not just celebrities, आम जो ख़वातीन हैं वो आती हैं और you know like इस किस्म की treatments कराती हैं. Then I basically got married immediately after my final year. तो उस दौरान में जो है I also ended up having my first child really soon. So it was, of course, with the help and support of my husband that I managed to do so much, because there really has to be ample support for a woman in any part of the world. I think, you know, women do need the support,
Absolutely.
especially when they are mothers, you know. तो मेरे हस्बैंड की सपोर्ट बहुत रही, जिसके अंदर जो काम जो मैंने किया, यू नो, इवन एज फार एज द चिल्ड्रन वर कंसर्न्ड, इफ आई वाज नॉट अवेलेबल एट होम टू यू नो ओवरसी द चिल्ड्रन, ही वुड डू दैट, यू नो. तो वो उसमें जो है बड़ा मुझे अच्छा एक यू नो सपोर्ट की वजह से आई कुड डू अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. एंड इवन नाउ आई फील दैट as far as my career goes in my salon, that is again something that I have enough support from my husband to be able to do all of that, you know. So like I am that is how I manage so many things.
That's actually very lovely to hear. So, you know, if you get married to someone and you have a supportive partner, it's easier to achieve your dreams in that way. I think बहुत आसान हो जाता है. And a lot of Pakistani women unfortunately lack that support because they don't get that from their husband. And I encourage all the women out there to marry the kind of men who will support your dreams, who will, you know, be the biggest fan of yours and always, always push you to be the best version of yourself. And mashallah, you're very lucky in that regard because I can see you're a wonderful, wonderful woman, and the way you're talking about your support system. So kudos to you know your husband as well. So like you mentioned with your salon, there are a lot of non-surgical treatments that obviously are you know being performed there and stuff. So I want to know, and I want you to tell the viewers a bit more about these non-surgical treatments. And for those who are willing to get this but have that fear, उनको एक डर होता है कि कोई इंजेक्शन कुछ गलत ना हो जाए, कोई खराब चीज ना हो जाए. So I want you to create a bit more awareness about these things. And whoever you know, if they're not happy with a certain thing, and if they've got maybe into an accident or maybe you know something of that sort, they can tweak or enhance their features in that way, and it's nothing bad. So I want you to talk a bit more about that and tell us why or what you know people should go for.
So a lot of these treatments are anti-aging. A lot of them are, you know, जो जब आपको कोई जैसे कि you know pigmentation है, acne scarring है, ये बहुत सी ऐसी treatments हैं कि जो regularly होती हैं. और anti-aging में जो है there are treatments like you know like Botox and fillers. एंड बोटॉक्स जो है वो आपकी फोरहेड की रिंकल्स को जो है वो रिमूव करता है, और ये रेगुलरली हर 4-5 महीने पे आपको रिपीट करना होता है. फिलर्स होते हैं जो कि किसी भी एरिया में जो है वो उस जगह को फिल करते हैं. सो यू कैन फिल योर लिप्स, यू कैन फिल योर स्माइल लाइंस, यू कैन फिल योर अंडर आई एरिया, यू कैन फिल योर चीक्स, यू कैन फिल योर नोज, यू नो, जहाँ पे अगर अभी टेढ़ी हल्की सी नोज है तो वो के लिए होती है, उसके अंदर एक्नी. एंड फिर जो ट्रीटमेंट्स होती हैं, अब जो ट्रीटमेंट्स काफी पॉपुलर हैं, उसके अंदर वाइटनिंग भी है, जो ग्लूटाथायोन के इंजेक्शंस होते हैं. उसके बाद फिर स्किनी ड्रिप्स आ गई हैं कि जो आप स्किनी ड्रिप जो है वो अपनी एक यू नो लाइक आप ड्रिप लगाते हैं और वो आपकी पूरी बॉडी में जो है वो फैट को जो है वो मेटाबलाइज करता है. और उसके अलावा देयर आर ट्रीटमेंट्स लाइक अब यू नो हेयर पीआरपी, यू नो, कि जिसमें आप अपनी बॉडी में से ब्लड लेके आप उसको एक मशीन में डालते हैं जो जिसमें से उसका लिक्विड अलग हो जाता है, एंड देन दैट लिक्विड इज इंजेक्टेड इनटू द स्कैल्प. It can be injected onto the face for regeneration, for regrowth, and for rejuvenation.
Okay, so that is amazing to learn about all these treatments that are, of course, available at your salon. I am very intrigued by this, and I might start considering, looking out for some treatment for myself as well. Tell me a bit more about Botox. People have that sort of pre-notion in their mind कि अगर आप Botox करा लेंगे तो कुछ खराब हो जाएगा. Like they have all these misconceptions about this certain treatment, and I don't understand why there's a stigma attached to all these cosmetic procedures that obviously a lot of people get, and it's considered shameful in our society. So, is there something you want to say in terms of that कि अगर कोई ये procedures avail करना चाहता है और वो रुक रहा है because लोग क्या कहेंगे, तो फिर उसको क्या करना चाहिए, और like what should they basically do about that?
So I personally feel that Botox जो है वो it can go wrong. Even a filler can go wrong, definitely, if it's done by the wrong person. So उसमें लुक जो है वो एक बड़ी आर्टिफिशियल सी लुक आ सकती है, जिसके अंदर अगर आप फिलर लिप में करते हैं तो टू मच फिलर भी हो सकता है. फिलर से जो है वो आप टेढ़े भी आपके लिप्स हो सकते हैं. फिलर से जो है वो अगर आपने अंडर आई पे कराया है या चीक्स में कराया है, और अगर फिलर जो है वो सही तरीके से नहीं हुआ है तो टू मच पफिनेस भी हो सकती है, जो कि एक फेस को अजीब अननेचुरल किस्म का एक लुक देता है. एंड देन बोटॉक्स कैन गो रॉन्ग because you can like give a very artificial kind of look to your forehead, जिसकी वजह से जो है वो आपकी आंखें अजीब सी ऐसी उठी हुई सी हो जाती हैं. This is called like a Spock's brow, because like it's so raised, the eyebrow, that it looks really artificial. So yes, Botox and fillers can go wrong if it's not done correctly. So इसी वजह से मैं जब करती हूँ तो मैं हमेशा करती हूँ, मतलब अंडर करती हूँ, कि मुझे जो है वो ये नहीं, मैं हमेशा क्लाइंट को बताती हूँ कि आप उसमें जो है वो अगर आपको ट्रीटमेंट ऐसी अगर आप करें कि जिसके अंदर आप वापस आके रीटच करा सकते हैं. So the retouch should not be an issue. And but if you do more, then you cannot undo it. It is difficult to undo something, but it is very easy to add a little bit on. So ये जो है वो problem basically आती है.
Thank you so much for giving us all the details in regards to those, certain treatments that you have going on, because I think बहुत ज़रूरी होता है जो लोग actually इन चीज़ों को avail करना चाहते हैं, just want to enhance their features a little bit, want to feel good, उनके लिए ये बहुत बड़ा factor आ जाता है कि उनको इस बात का fear होता है. So people always have the fear of the unknown, as you know. And to clear these doubts out for many people that are watching us right now, I'm sure this has been very, very helpful. Moving on, Nadia, I want you to tell us a little bit more about what inspired you to release your own makeup line. And it has been the talk of town. It has been amazing. I've been seeing reviews from various people online, and the results are absolutely, absolutely brilliant. I just want you to tell us about what kind of products you have on there, and what makes the product stand out, and why come out with an entire range. I mean, लोग एक चीज निकालते हैं, दो चीज निकालते हैं, आपने एक पूरी पैकेज provide की है, for the people that are in the beauty community. What inspired that?
So when I had started my salon, तो मैं हमेशा कुछ ना कुछ मैंने जो है ना एक्सपेरिमेंटल चीजें की हैं. So I have even done shoes along with somebody. I was working with somebody for shoes. I was associated with a brand for lawn. मेरे नाम पे लॉन भी निकलती थी, जो कि like मेरे ही नाम पे वो लॉन निकल.
Amazing.
जब मेरा सलोन खोला, माशाल्लाह मुझे बहुत अच्छा रिस्पांस मिला. सो आई देन यूज्ड टू थिंक कि अब जाहिर है one thinks, कि what more does what more can I do? So for me, it was not just about it. I wanted to expand more. I wanted to do more things. So that is when, this thing came in my mind कि मुझे एक brand, एक makeup brand करना चाहिए, because I used to feel that that is something कम है. तो उसकी वजह से I used to feel that I should make use of my name and build a brand and make.
Oh, absolutely. That is a very, very, that's quite the right approach, I would say. Like, not only just leaving your legacy as an actress, and of course a very well-known a salon owner with like someone who's doing all these amazing treatments, as well as giving people what they want, but to develop a makeup brand that serves to the local community and also saves us from investing so much in all the imported makeup that we invest in foreign makeup, because locally I feel like there are not many products that are available for all of us to avail. कहीं से कोई चीज एक कहीं से कहीं कुछ, तो आपने उनको एक पूरी रेंज प्रोवाइड की है, which I feel like is amazing. um, so yeah, that many congratulations once again for achieving this and giving us a product that we all love. Okay, so I feel like Nadia's internet has disconnected, but that's okay. We will call her again and we will get her on board, because I was having a lovely time listening to what she had to say. I mean, to develop herself as this amazing let's say not just a business owner, but she's leaving a legacy with all the different products that she's come out with, all the name she's made for herself in the beauty industry. I feel like it's very commendable. And we have Nadia back on board with us. Sorry about the technical issue again, but it's lovely to know that you've set this legacy, developed yourself as this amazing, not just an actress but a brand name, like you said, and making these products available for all the people जो बाहर से overspend करके एक चीज इधर से एक चीज उधर से. So you've given them an entire range. Nadia, tell us about what products are included in that range.
So there's everything. I mean, there's foundations, powders, contour, blush on, lipsticks, lip pencils, highlighters, eyeshadows, eyeliner, mascara, eyebrows. I mean, the entire range is there.
And personally, what is your favorite product? Like, if you were to pick just one thing out of the entire range, what would it be?
Now, I think I would, the latest product is my Go Makeup palette. And उससे पहले जो है, जो मेरी tints वगैरह है, वो मेरी बहुत अच्छी हैं.
So, do you suggest the viewers and makeup enthusiasts and beauty bloggers जो होते हैं, makeup lovers होते हैं, would you suggest them to invest in the Go palette as well as the tints, because it is summer and I think the light kind of nice glowy makeup is really in right now, and I feel like your products are the perfect way to sort of avail that look. So would that be something that they should start using this summer to glow away? That is great to know. Nadia, tell us like three things. I know I'm like taking up a lot of your time, but I want to know three things that one should do during the summer to maintain an amazing skin like yours. And what are the top three tips that you would give to girls out here watching this, or even guys? Sorry,
तो
did you
उस
hear the question? I
या
Okay, so three tips for girls and guys for glowing skin this summer.
Like I was saying that, you know, for skin you require regular maintenance, and regular maintenance के बगैर कुछ भी possible नहीं है. That is something that, you know, really requires constant. You to be constantly doing something, and that is the only way that you're going to maintain and get that regular.
Perfect. That is great to hear. I will definitely make sure that I get regular with my skincare as well. Nadia, tell me a little bit more about, there are many girls out there that are interested in makeup and, they want to do something big, and you have obviously set a legacy for yourself. So, what would your message be to any newcomers out there that are willing to, that are looking to step into this industry? What are the few things that they should keep in mind? क्या वो चीजें हैं अगर वो एक बिजनेस लॉन्च करना चाह रहे हैं या वो इस इंडस्ट्री के अंदर कुछ सीखना चाह रहे हैं? So what are the few things that they should keep in mind?
Well, you know, to start a brand, I think that one really needs a good amount of investment. I think that goes for any kind of a business. आपको अगर salon जैसे कि मैंने शुरू किया, investment होती है उसके अंदर. जब तक आपके पास investment.
Very true.
So, you know, the investment is required. And then, you know, you start working on the marketing and you start working on lots of other things in which you are, you know, focusing, of course, on quality and distribution and, you know, ye sari cheezein and marketing.
Okay, so all of you guys who are looking to start your own business, remember the things that Nadia has just mentioned, because it is very, very essential to have a plan. You can't just step into things like that. You may have a passion for it, but be smart, be sensible, plan it out, and inshallah, you guys will be very, very successful. Nadia, recently I saw you as a showstopper in the last FPW that happened for, I believe, Hassan and his brand Gogi, and you looked brilliant, and the look that you had was outstanding, I remember. So tell us a bit more about that experience. How was that for you?
It's always lovely to be on the ramp, and in fact, I had come back on the ramp after so
Yeah.
long that I was like, oh my god, you know, it's like I've forgotten what it really feels like to be back on the ramp. But Gogi is a very, very dear friend, and he is a very big fan as well. और वो इतना ज़्यादा, you know, like वो प्यार और मोहब्बत, and you know, he's so like loving that he said, oh, you know, you have to be my showstopper and you have to be my showstopper. So I was like, okay, you know, I'll do it. It's fine. It's only one outfit. I'll do it. And so yeah, it was really fun. It was thrilling to be back on the ramp.
The outfit spoke volumes, and of course we all know you as like one of the top models of Pakistan as well at a certain point, and to see you on ramp was something that, like, when I saw you on the ramp, I was very, very excited, and I was very, very amazed by the look you had, because you looked absolutely stunning, I must say that. Okay, Nadia, last few questions. With the current, and I know this might be a bit boring, but since it is the ongoing situation right now, with the current, COVID situation and everything, how have you been coping up? How have you been taking care of yourself? And is there any advice that you would like to give to people about it?
So yeah, well, with COVID, it has been very difficult with my salon. It has been extremely difficult. Business has really badly gotten affected. और इसके अंदर जो like बड़ा मुश्किल रहा है to remain positive. And I truly feel that this is something that um, I have, been just by talking about it and by connecting to people, by sharing my fears and by sharing my, concerns, um, I've been able to kind of, get some kind of peace. So उसमें जो है वो, and especially talking to my husband about it, because, there was at that time, there has been nobody else who I could talk to. So it did, give a lot of solace. And otherwise, I haven't yet gotten COVID, but shukar hai, I'm also vaccinated fully. तो मुझे जो है वो अब जो है वो आई एम, even though of course I am careful, I do endorse wearing your mask when you're out in public and all of that. लेकिन हमारे काम में थोड़े सा मसला ऐसा होता है कि like especially when we recording and we shooting and all of that, तो मास्क पहनना बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाता है, because we have makeup on, and wearing a mask is, going to give us lines. So wo camera mein, it's it's impossible to wear a mask on set.
Absolutely. How do you manage? Like, do you still have the fear of, COVID being around us? And obviously, we all should get our vaccination sorted. I am vaccinated. I'm just waiting to get my second dose as well. Initially, it was very scary for all of us, because we didn't know what COVID was about, what the vaccine had in it. But I would suggest everyone to get yourself vaccinated so you can at least live somewhat of a normal life, because we are living in the, post-pandemic world at the moment. That being said, Nadia, is there any advice that you would like to give to, the young girls out there that are looking to step into this field, or, have like a passion for acting, modeling, anything of that sort?
So I think that, things have become, uh, even though things have become a lot easier now because of social media, you can, because of TikTok and because of snack video or because of Instagram, itna तो आप अपनी चीज को you can, like bring it to the forefront. You can prove yourself through these social media platforms, however it is you want to portray yourself as an actor, as a model. I mean, there are so many different ways in which you can do prove yourself, but it has become a lot more competitive as well, because
Absolutely.
everybody is doing it, so it's become very even though it's become very easy, but at the same time, it has become very difficult as well. So I feel that, one really needs to be constantly at it. One really needs to have that kind of, that confidence, and be out there. I mean, that's what it is. I mean, जब हम लोग ने शुरू किया था उस वक्त मैगजीन्स, बहुत सारी मैगजीन्स थी, एक्चुअली लिमिटेड मैगजीन्स थी, फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता बढ़ते बढ़ते मैगजीन्स बढ़ती गई, लेकिन हमने फोटोग्राफर्स के साथ शूट्स किए, बहुत सारा काम किया, जिस which used to get printed in lots of magazines and things like that. So we also used to project ourselves. It was like we had brought ourselves, to the face of the world. And now the face of the world is through your mobile. So you need to portray yourself through those mediums. And आपको जो है वो, if somebody does think that you're worth it, you will get work.
Absolutely. So recently we also had like a cover that featured you on the, the Women's Day special, and that was actually a very, very lovely cover. I still remember it being one of my favorite ones. You looked absolutely stunning in that. And that was some great advice, because the world that we are living in today, इतना बड़ा शिफ्ट आया है फ्रॉम प्रिंट मीडिया टू just going to your phone, switching on the camera, recording a video and getting viral within a few minutes, seconds or overnight. So that has become like a very big factor. And आई फील लाइक कि सक्सेस बहुत आसानी से मिल सकती है, जस्ट इफ यू नो कि किस तरीके से आपने अपनी ऑडियंस को अपील करना है, बिकॉज ओवरनाइट चीजें यहाँ वायरल हो जाती हैं अगर। और अच्छा ठीक है, सो नाउ दे वर टॉकिंग अबाउट वायरल, recently we saw a video of yours that went viral on social media. I don't know if I'm okay to talk about this, so please tell me if that's not okay. I want you to tell us a bit more about, because I've been seeing a lot of comments, नीचे यहाँ पे बहुत लोग comment कर रहे हैं कि इस वीडियो का क्या था, what was the reason. I personally think that it was not what it looked like. So would you want to talk about it and what that was about?
So yeah, I think I do need to talk about it because it has the way that it has gotten viral. I didn't really expect it to go that viral. So basically, it is a planted video. It is a fake video. Huh?
No, like I had a feeling it might be planted. Sorry, please continue.
Yeah. So it is a fake video. It is a planted video. It is relating to a brand जो कि आपको शायद एक दो दिन में पता लग जाएगा, because मुझे खुद भी नहीं पता कि जिन लोगों ने जो मेरे साथ जो ये पूरी वीडियो जो है जब हमने इसको रिकॉर्ड किया था और ये सारी चीजें हुई थी, तो इसका एक सेकंड पार्ट है और वो मुझे अपने पेज पे I need to upload that on my page, and that video has not yet been given to me because it has been recorded but it has not yet been given to me to post, so I don't even know what's gonna happen and when am I supposed to disclose what exactly is going on. But I have thought that I need to start talking about the fact that this is a planted video and it is relating to a brand. But इसके अंदर मैं एक चीज जरूर कहूंगी कि as far as if I'm not going to look at the fact that it is a planted video, just looking at the fact that I am scolding somebody, I am reprimanding somebody, I truly feel that there is no harm in that. क्योंकि मैं एक अपने स्टाफ को जो कि मेरे लिए काम करते हैं, वो मेरे जो भी मेरी मुलाजमा है, मेरी स्टाफ है, उसको मैं एक उसकी अपनी नेग्लिजेंस की वजह से मैं उसको रेप्रिमांड कर रही हूँ, मैं उसको स्कोल्ड कर रही हूँ। और मैंने कोई ना फिजिकली अब्यूसिव हुई हूँ और ना मैं वर्बली अब्यूसिव हुई हूँ। तो आई फील दैट इट इज परफेक्टली फाइन बिकॉज आई डू एक्सपेक्ट अ सर्टेन काइंड ऑफ responsibility from my staff. And in my salon, trust me, Ariba, I mean, in my salon, I have had electric kettles burst. I have had microwaves, burst. I have had the fans, जो कि आपके जो पंखे होते हैं, जो wall fans होते हैं, वो तक जो है वो फटे हैं और वो जले हैं, मतलब just because of negligence, and it is so disturbing. And it is so scary. I mean, there are so many times when, electrical chargers have just burnt. I mean, because वो तार ढीली हुई भी है तो वहां से आग पकड़ ली उसने. I mean, these things have happened numerous times in my salon, and every single time I have to keep on telling these girls, keep on telling my staff कि भाई तुम लोग खुदा का वास्ता तुम लोग जो है वो थोड़ी सी जरा look into these things, take care of these things. If you're supposed to warm something for 30 seconds, make sure you're not warming it for 3 minutes. Don't put plastic in the microwave. Don't put a shiny item in the microwave. पूरा microwave shiny चीज की वजह से जब वो करंट आ जाता है and the whole thing bursts. And, it has happened in my salon. So of course I am going to scold somebody for negligence. And if it is going to be an electrical hazard, I mean, ये electrical hazard तो मेरे लिए एक nightmare है. I'm very very scared about electrical hazards. So in recently, just 2 days ago, in my own house, my kids took a shower, and after that I don't know why वो hair dryer उन्होंने on किया हुआ था और पता नहीं कैसे वो hair dryer 3 घंटे तक जो है वो on रहा, right next to the sink, in which it was kind of a little bit wet. The hair dryer was on for more than 3 hours. facing the sink, and the entire ceramic sink was hot, and even that drain at the bottom, the जो metal का जो drain होता है वो भी, it was so hot I couldn't touch it. I mean, and I was of course shouting at my maid. I said, what in the world happened? You know, how has this hair dryer been left on for 3 to 4 hours? I mean,
And
it's
that is
ridiculous.
very dangerous. Absolutely very dangerous. It is a hazard for people that are living in this house, and negligence, you know, जहाँ तक negligence की बात है, I'm sure it's very very important to create awareness in that matter. Even though आपकी जो वीडियो थी वो planted थी, you know, या brand से related थी, but अगर ऐसा कोई instance आता है where you feel like you need to school or educate someone about, you know, taking care of their surroundings, it's their responsibility to make sure कि उनको कुछ ना हो जाए, घर में कोई जो रह रहा है उनको कुछ ना हो जाए. We have
Yes.
this comment by Jasmine. She says, you didn't abuse her, and if someone is not doing their job right, थोड़ा बहुत तो डांट से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. People just want to defame, which I believe is true. आधे लोगों को तो पता भी नहीं था कि वीडियो का पर्पस क्या है, वो नीचे शुरू हो गए डिफेम करना. And she also says this way सही victims भी attention नहीं पा सकते. तो जहाँ पे actually कोई problem होती है या you know कोई मसला आता है, वहां पे उनको वो proper जब awareness नहीं मिलती, education नहीं मिलती, तो वो भी suffer करते हैं. So it's better to create this awareness, because I feel like in Pakistan, until and unless उनके तरीके से उनको नहीं समझाया जाए, जिस तरह से अगर हम एक अवेयरनेस कैंपेन क्रिएट करते हैं और हम उनको बैठ के बताते हैं कि ये नहीं होना चाहिए, वो शायद ना समझे इस बात को. तो वो वीडियो जिस तरह प्लांट हुई है, जिस तरह वो वायरल हुई है, आई फील लाइक लोगों को मैसेज तो जरूर मिला होगा उस चीज से. सो आई फील लाइक दैट वाज कंप्लीटली राइट ऑन योर पार्ट, एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू सी व्हाट द नेक्स्ट स्टेप फॉर दिस ब्रांड इज एज वेल.
Yeah. But I also want to add that, you know, like, it is not as though कि मैं, I mean, I am saying this because I am, and I have also gone perhaps one step further, in which I, you know, like, but there has been a reason for it, you know, like, that I have also slapped one of my mates, in which she was caught sleeping with my driver in
Are you
the maid's room.
serious?
Yeah, so like when I caught her, I turned around and I gave her such a tight slap, you know, and I even slapped the driver. I mean, you know, these things cannot be happening in my house, you know, like, this girl is, this girl's mother has given her to me to be my responsibility, and she cannot do such a thing in my house, you know. So at that point in time, what am I supposed to do? उसको प्यार से समझाऊं, सिर्फ उसको डांटूं? मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं डांटूंगी, वो मेरी अपनी बेटी की तरह है. मैं तो उसको चपेड़े मैंने मारी हैं कि हाउ डेयर यू. आई मीन, यू नो, she was hardly 18-20 years old. How can I just, you know, like, scold her? प्यार से उसको मैं कैसे समझाऊं? मैं तो उसको चपेड़े इतनी मारी हैं कि तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई ऐसी हरकत करने की.
एंड दैट मस्ट हैव कम एज अ शॉक एज वेल. जाहिर है उनके पेरेंट्स आपको ट्रस्ट करके अपनी बेटी दे रहे हैं, और कल को वो आपसे जवाब मांगे कि हमारी बेटी ये सब चीजें कर रही है, आप कहाँ थी, और उसको उस वक्त अगर कोई नहीं समझाता है. एंड कंसिडरिंग इट्स योर हाउस, यू हैव चिल्ड्रन इन द हाउस, सो दिस काइंड ऑफ इलिसिट एक्टिविटी शुड नॉट बी टेकिंग प्लेस इन इट एनीवे. सो उसका असर मतलब बच्चों पे क्या पड़ता है, या यू नो आगे के लोग क्या सोचेंगे कि नादिया अपने घर में यू नो दिस इज व्हाट शी इज एनकरेजिंग. सो आई फील लाइक उस वक्त के हिसाब से जो आपने किया must have been definitely right, because again you're telling me she was very young as well, and these kind of activities are definitely not encouraged.
Another time in which a maid in my own house, she was a mother of like 3 or 4 children, और उसने अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को मेरे बेटे का नंबर दे दिया था. You know, like, she's invading my son's privacy. Her boyfriend used to call on my son's phone, and my son at that time was like 14 years old, and she had given her, she was a mother of 4 children. She had given her boyfriend my son's number and invaded his privacy, whereas she used to sneak into my son's room, take the phone, and she used to talk for hours from my son's phone. And my son, one day, I think he got up in the middle of the night to go to the toilet, and he realized he didn't have his phone. And then he started realizing and noticing कि कोई weird number से जो है रात के 3-4 बजे कॉल आती है. And you know, and then I caught on to it कि you know, ये नंबर जो है ये असल में मेड ने जो है वो अपने बॉयफ्रेंड को दिया है. And she was a married woman. She used to go every week. She used to go back to her. I mean, of course, I'm going to take that phone, and I took that phone from that maid, and I slapped her, and I broke that phone. I broke her phone because I said, how dare you, invade my child's privacy.
Absolutely, and you never know what kind of person she's been talking to. And considering कि आजकल का जो environment है, it's not
Yes,
safe. It could be a
yes.
setup, it could be a robbery at some point, and plus the way she was going
No,
about it, knowing that she had
व्हाट्सएप के जरिए तो आप लोकेशन शेयर कर सकते हो, मतलब इतनी
बिल्कुल
चीजें हैं जो
बिल्कुल
आप कर सकते हो। तो मेरा तो दिमाग जो है वो ऐसी ऐसी बातें सोचने शुरू हो गया कि आई जस्ट हैड टू गिव हर अ टेस्ट ऑफ माय मेडिसिन perhaps, that there is no way that she's going to get away with such a thing.
Yeah, absolutely. And these things are not welcomed at all. I mean, people are trusting you, keeping you in their house, giving you food, water, shelter, and this is the way you repay them back. And I feel like that is absolutely wrong. कहीं ना कहीं awareness भी lack because लोग there's barely any awareness of that sort, and especially these women
I,
you know
I truly do feel that like इसके अंदर आपको गुर्बत वाली चीज बिल्कुल नहीं लानी चाहिए कि जी वो
बिल्कुल
मेरी
नहीं.
just because she was my कि वो गरीब औरत थी, ये चीज बिल्कुल भी इसके अंदर नहीं आनी चाहिए। वो नहीं आना चाहिए कि जी वो जस्ट बिकॉज वो गरीब थी तो मुझे उसको डांटना नहीं चाहिए। आई पर्सनली ट्रूली
बिल्कुल
फील दैट if she was negligent of her duty, I have every right to reprimand her. I have every right to scold her.
absolutely
इसी तरीके से मैं अपने स्टाफ को भी जो है वो अपने सलोन पे उनको मैं रेप्रिमांड करती हूँ, बिकॉज देर आर लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम्स कि जब ये बहुत ज्यादा ढीली हो जाती हैं or they take us for granted, so like I'm not gonna allow
absolutely.
that.
एब्सोल्युटली एंड आई थिंक दैट इज द राइट अप्रोच और ये एक्सक्यूज तो बिल्कुल यूज नहीं करना चाहिए कि गरीब हैं तो हो गया गरीब हैं तो इसका ये मतलब तो नहीं है ना दैट यू आर स्नीकिंग अराउंड लाइक चीटिंग ऑन योर हस्बैंड एंड लाइक encouraging all sorts of weird things around and somebody needs to tell them agar they don't have the basic understanding of it then I'm sure the person that they are around it's their responsibility to educate them about it and you did your part very well in that aspect. That's really informative for all the viewers as well that are watching this. उनको भी थोड़ा अंदाजा होना चाहिए कि गुर्बत का एक्सक्यूज यूज करके आप अपनी जो हरकतें कर रहे होते हैं वो they're not welcome. काफी लोग ऐसे भी होते हैं जो मैं गरीब हूं तो जस्टिफाई करते हैं चीजों को, चाहे वो लोग कुछ चीट कर रहे हो, फ्रॉड कर रहे हो या लोगों के साथ गलत कर रहे हो और फिर कहते हैं कि मैं तो गरीब हूं तो मुझ पे थोड़ा रहम करें या समथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट. आई फील लाइक दैट इज अ वेरी रॉन्ग अप्रोच. That being said, Nadia, I want you to give any parting message to the audience that are watching this. This entire session has been amazing. We've learned so much about you, your journey, and of course, the current video that was going on, has put so much light on this entire situation. Thank you for giving us the time. I just want you to give our viewers a parting message, or if there's anything at all that you want to say, to close this live session.
So I feel that there needs to be, even though I'm very very grateful, by the way, to a lot of the people who have commented in my support. बहुत ज्यादा लोगों ने जो है वो 2-2, 3-3 हजार कमेंट्स कुछ पोस्ट पे जो है वो आए हैं, 1000, 1500, 2000, 3000 ऐसे ऐसे लाइक नंबर ऑफ कमेंट्स आए हैं, जिसके अंदर बहुत से लोगों ने, I would say like 80 to 90% have supported me, saying that I've done the right thing. I was not physically abusive, I was not verbally abusive, I was telling her. But of course, I do feel कि जो नेगेटिव चीज होती है वो ज्यादा वायरल हो जाती है और जो पॉजिटिव चीजें होती है
Absolutely.
वो वायरल होती है। लोगों को सिर्फ नेगेटिविटी जो है वो देखनी होती है। ड्रामों में भी जो है जब थप्पड़े पड़ रही है, जलन में जो है वो मैं अपने भाई के ऊपर चीखना चिल्लाना कर रही हूँ, मैं थप्पड़े मार रही हूँ उसको, मैं उसकी जो वो मीनार थी, जो वो मेरी नंद बनी, उसको थप्पड़े मार रही हूँ। तो मुझे इतने लोगों ने मैसेज किया, इतने लोगों ने कहा कि यार हमारी दिल की आवाज कि आपने जो है वो उसको थप्पड़ मारा, मैं आपने एक मारा मैं दो मारती। And I used to be like, my God, I mean,
Frustrated.
this that they are so like charged up about these things, whereas अगर असलियत में देखते हैं तो फिर वो चीज को आप बुरा भी बोलते हैं, like so it's really weird. I mean, you know, like I feel that जहाँ पे negative जो है वो आप इतना viral हो जाता है, positive चीज को भी viral होनी चाहिए.
Absolutely, I absolutely agree. असल में that's the thing with people now. They love controversy, they love drama. एक इंसान की 10 अच्छी चीजें भूल के उनको एक बुरी चीज याद रहती है. But at the same time, I mean, you know, hate us or love us, you're still going to watch us and talk about us. So good on them. Like I am reading a lot of comments here that are saying hashtag we stand with Nadia. So yes, of course, hashtag we stand with Nadia. All the viewers, thank you so much out there for watching this live. And once again, Nadia, thank you so much for coming on board with FHM Pakistan. This live has been absolutely lovely. I'm so glad that you were here and you told us about all these different things. बहुत मजा आया, बहुत अच्छा लगा, and hopefully in the future we'll keep doing this. You have been really supportive for our platform as well, and of course we stand with you as well. So once again, thank you, Nadia, for coming on this live session.
Thank you. Pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Take lots of care of yourself and hope to stay in touch soon. Thank you so much, Nadia.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, guys, so that was a brilliant live session with the one and only lovely Nadia Hussain Khan, and she has given us so much to learn and so much to overview with all the amazing advice that she gave us, the kind of stuff she told us about her product, the kind of stuff and misconceptions she cleared about non-invasive cosmetic surgery, be it Botox, be it fillers. काफी चीजें उन्होंने हमें बताई और काफी इंस्टेंसेस के बारे में भी बताया जो उनके साथ हो चुके थे, और अपनी जो वायरल वीडियो थी उसके बारे में भी हमें क्लैरिटी दी कि वो उनकी असली वीडियो नहीं थी, वो एक प्लांटेड वीडियो थी, एंड उसके अंदर जो अवेयरनेस क्रिएट हो रही है उस पर फोकस किया जाए. नेग्लिजेंस की बात है, जाहिर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इज अ बिग हैजर्ड, एंड अगर कोई इस चीज को इग्नोर कर रहा है और किसी की जान पे वो बात आ सकती है, तो आई फील लाइक कि हमें जरूर अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करनी चाहिए उस हवाले से. एंड नादिया डिड जस्ट दैट, थोड़े से डिफरेंट तरीके से किया, लेकिन आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड बिकॉज वायरल तो यूजुअली वही चीज होती है जिसमें हमें कभी कंट्रोवर्सी दिखती है, एंड उनकी मार्केटिंग टैक्टिक्स बहुत स्मार्ट थी इन दैट मैटर. So well done to the team of the brand, and Nadia once again was amazing on the live session. We had a lovely talk, and thank you so much for all your comments. जिस तरह आप सबने प्यार दिखाया, जिस तरह आप सबने हमारी लाइफ को देखा, सपोर्ट किया, बहुत शुक्रिया आपका. Once again guys, thank you so much for watching and tuning in. This has been great. I hope to see all of you on other lives as well. बहुत अच्छा लगा आप सबसे बात करके, नादिया से बात करके. FHM पाकिस्तान को फॉलो करते रहिए, उनका कंटेंट देखते रहिए, हमारी वीडियो कंटेंट बहुत अच्छी चलती रहती है, वो देखते रहिए. हमारे पेज पे चीजें आती रहती है, न्यूज आती रहती है, अपना इनपुट दिया करें, अपने tell us what more we can do to make you guys consistent followers. And with that, I am going to be signing out. My live is about to end as well. This was your host Ariba Siddiqui from FHM Pakistan, and I hope to see you guys soon. Stay tuned, take lots of care, अपना बहुत ख्याल रखिएगा पाकिस्तानियों, and जो भी हमें देख रहा है, lots and lots of love. Thank you so much कि आप सब हमारे लाइव पे आए, हमारा लाइव देखा, बहुत मजा आया. इंशाल्लाह इसी तरह हम आपके साथ लाइव आते रहेंगे, आपसे बात करते रहेंगे, आप लोग के ओपिनियंस देते रहेंगे और कुछ अपनी भी सुनाते रहेंगे. Thank you so much for coming on FHM Pakistan. This was your host Ariba Siddiqui. Stay tuned, take lots of care of yourself, and don't forget, keep your mask on, get vaccinated, and stay hydrated. Okay guys, this is me signing off. Until next time. Allah Hafiz.